Hey there cruisers, Shane from SW Black Travel here, and today we're diving an in-depth look into both the Princess Plus and Princess Premier packages. Now if you've ever wondered which one is right for you on your next voyage, then let's carefully consider each perk and inclusion, and maybe we can help you come up with a decision as to whether you should invest in them or not. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, let's talk about Princess Plus. Now this one is $65 per guest per day, and Princess tells us that you'll get incredible savings of up to 65%. But let's take a look at what's included. First off, we get what Princess call Medallion Net, which is simply their Wi-Fi. This is for one device. Now with the Plus Beverage package, you can get drinks up to $22. There's unlimited juice bar access, so when you don't feel like an alcoholic beverage, you can indulge in some juices. You also get premium desserts, but it is limited to only 2 per day, so don't get too much of a sweet tooth. You also get 2 casual dining meals per guest. Some fitness classes for those of you who want to stay active, but again, it is limited to only 2 per cruise. There's no surcharge or extra cost for Ocean Now delivery, which is of course the on-demand service while you're on board. And you also get no room service delivery fee, which also saves you a little bit of money. So there you have it, that's the Princess Plus, and it's not bad, right? It gives you a great balance of essential extras at a reasonable price, which is perfect if you want to elevate your cruise experience, but you don't want to necessarily break the bank. Now, if you are looking for the ultimate cruise experience where you need to worry about less, than perhaps the Princess Premier package is for you. So this package is $100 per guest per day, and Princess promised us that it saves you 74%, which is very specific. I don't know why they didn't round up to 75%, but hey, we will run with what Princess tells us. And that saving of 74% is over what you would pay if you paid for each of the components individually. So let's check out each of those components, shall we? Now, similarly to the Plus package, you do have the Medallion Net included as well. However, this time, there's 4 devices per guest. Of course, you get the drinks package as well, but the value is increased slightly from $22 up to $30 per drink. So you do get to indulge in those extra luxurious drinks, or those extra special drinks on board. Again, unlimited access to the juice bar. There's access to premium desserts, but there's no limit this time. You get unlimited premium desserts. So if you do have a sweet tooth, you can indulge to your heart's content. Now, fitness classes, they were limited in the Plus package, but in the Premier package, they are unlimited. So if you get unlimited desserts, you get to have unlimited fitness classes to help burn off said desserts. Now, an added benefit is a photo package, which is included in the Premier package. Now, this photo package gives you unlimited digital photos and 3 physical photo prints. What's particularly attractive about the Premier is that there is unlimited specialty dining available for those that do invest in it, so that you can check out all the specialty restaurants on board without having to worry about any extra surcharges. So that the shows in the theatre that are production shows, you can avail reserved seating. Of course, there's unlimited casual dining meals included. The Ocean Now delivery service is also included, as was in the Plus, and the complimentary room service delivery is still available as it was in the Plus as well. I would say Premier is for the cruisers that want pretty much more of anything. You know, you get more drink choices, more dining choices, and you get the convenience of the reserved seating at the theatre as well as everything else. So which one is a better fit for you? If you're more of a laid-back cruiser that wants solid perks without breaking the bank, then perhaps the Premier Plus package is your best bet. But if you love luxury and you do want to get closer to that all-inclusive sensation of being on a cruise and not having to worry about added surcharges or not having preferential seating at production shows and everything else, then Princess Premier is definitely worth the additional cost. Now let's just take a look at this brief image, I guess, that shows you the breakdown between the 2 packages. Here you can see what's included and the differences between the 2 available packages, as well as the cost being $65 per day per guest for the Plus and $100 per day per guest for the Premier. Now, given the perks, I believe that if you're going to use what's included, then they do offer incredible value. But with Princess Premier 74%, you're just saving that little bit more and getting that all-inclusive experience. That's it. That's Princess Plus versus Premier. I hope it was informative for you. Thank you for sticking around. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you need to do on YouTube to stay connected. I don't know. Share this video with someone who is going on a Princess cruise. And more importantly, keep cruising.